What's going on, Crafty Nistas? I know it has been a minute, but when I say I've been under the weather, I have really been under the weather, but all is going well. I'm getting by now, and I was trying to work on something. I'll put at the end of this video a video that I had filmed with a little bit of things, hodgepodge, that I picked here, and I'll try to edit that in. But in it, I picked up these flat backs, and I'll try to have the link to them. I picked them up from China, and they are just gorgeous. And I am trying to work on some embellishments for them to go on. But I ordered them, and for them to come in a week to a week and a half later, they came pretty fast, and they're pretty cheap. So I went on and ordered some more of those, and I just wanted to show what else I ordered, since I ended up reordering, since I liked them so well. I ordered a couple of more packages, and I'm like saying, for $1 something for these were a great buy. But you know, you have that little wait time. But this was one of the quickest ones to get shipped, and like I said, I just love these. I hope that's picking it up on camera, how gorgeous that is. Gorgeous that is to add to projects. But I'll leave the link to that. And now I have several of those. And what else I ordered, I am trying to see, like I did that, just order a little bit at a time to see what I liked. I ordered these flat backs. And sorry, I don't have this open. Now these were a few dollars more, a couple dollars more than that. But I think that these are gorgeous. I hope that's picking that up. Try to see what the quality is. And I'll try to leave the link to these. And then on these, I ordered 2 packs of these. And these have more of a pearlized look. And that was just like a plain white. And if I could find these here in the States, and they want an arm and a leg for a few, that'd be a different story. And those have a pearlized look. So I think these are gorgeous. And this is my eBay haul from items from China. And then I have a small, some items that I picked up during the time I wasn't feeling as well from Tuesday morning. And then a hodgepodge of little things. And I'll be back with a couple more hauls. Okay, I have a couple of items here from Tuesday morning. And I have this EK Tools bow making set. I was on a hunt and so excited to find it. But after playing around with it, I can say it's not my favorite. But I'm going to eventually keep going at it and figure it out. And it has 3 different sizes in it. So for that price, it was a really good price. So, but I did find that. And then I found this Polaroid die bow bunny. It was nice to find a bow bunny die at my store, and that's the bow bunny die that I found. Then those were those bow flatbacks that I showed previously. My first initial try look at them. And then I found these floral gauge wire at the Dollar General of all, and they were like 55 cents. So that was a very good bargain there, and they were on clearance. I grabbed those because that's some thick gauge. And then I found this sparkly tape, and so it was glitter, and I grabbed that. And then this was half off when I found it, and I'm not too keen about the stamp pad. It was just, for the stamp itself. I don't know how the stamp pad is or how great the ink is in it. I just wanted the stamp. So I like the little sayings on there. And any kind of stamp, even in the not craft store, I'd grab it and hurry up and pick it up. And so then I ordered this from Peachy Cheap, and as you can see here, it makes this pocket folder, and I thought that would be neat to play around with. I had pre-ordered that, and then it came in, so that is that. And little hodgepodge of a little bit of everything. And then from the Dollar Tree, everyone knows I cannot get enough bling. I pre-ordered, I ordered online from the Dollar Tree to pick up in store, and I picked up this bling. As you can see, it's not the clear one, it has iridescent in it, and I ordered the minimum was, I believe, 36 of them. But when I go to Dollar Tree and I do find bling, it's here and there. As you can see, these are made to hang. They already come hang, so I've got the package as they would hang it on the little end caps, because by the time I go there, there's none left, or I would see a couple on one or on a shelf. So I've got plenty of iridescent crystal clear bling. So thanks for watching. See you later, Craftinistas.